Often regarded as an educational institution for school dropouts, the New Life organization is moving forward with a renewed focus. With a population of 500, the New Life organization says it is now moving away from catering to the needs of only on-campus students, but also life skill programs for adults, with 11 different departments catering to varying skills ranging from health and nutrition. Under the leadership of Executive Director Sister Margaret Yamoha, NULO's face is changing.
I have been here for barely 6 years, going on to 7 years here at NULO. And what I saw when I came was something that had so much potential that we could work with. I think a lot of those who had a very negative view about NULO had that not knowing NULO on a personal level. Right from the start when I came, we had so many people who would come, they would look at what we have here and say, oh, we didn't know that is what you're doing here. So a lot of the perceptions were based on hearsay, not really based on personal experience.
Their gains are being recorded as corporate Grenada has begun to take notice. Marketing manager Lorna Douglas says several requests made by varying businesses is an indication that things have improved.
What we have happening now is that we have a lot of employers are calling, asking for NULO trainees. And why would they call for NULO trainees? Because they would have seen the benefit or reaped the harvest of having NULO trainees work at their establishment. I mean, only in December, we placed about 4 trainees in job training in one of a leading restaurant in the Grandlands area. And I called her about 2 weeks afterwards to see how they were doing. And you know what she said to me? Do you have any more trainees from NULO that you could send for me to work in my establishment? That alone would tell you that based on the performance of the NULO trainees, it's at a high standard and the employers are willing to keep them on in the establishment. We also have employers calling, maybe at least 2 or 3 employers every month calling for NULO trainees to come and work with them.
But like with all stories of progress, there is a need for improvement. The facility is struggling from a lack of financial support, more so to improve the structure. Faced with termite infestations of some blocks and unpaid term fees in excess of $100,000, NULO is pleading for assistance.
It's very easy to set up a room and put a board and put a chalkboard or a marker and have a book and a pen and you have a classroom. That's academic. But when you are doing technical and vocational, that is 20%. The 80% is tools, is equipment, perishable items, non-perishable items, and state-of-the-art facility. Something NULO had never had before. If you go outside, you will notice that the facilities we have here, most of them are dilapidated. Very, very weak. Some of them are falling apart. Some, if I had my own way, nobody would ever sit in them. But that is what we have had for the past 33 years. And so gradually we are renovating, tearing down what has to be torn down, renovate what has to be renovated. So what we are asking for now is support. It's enough when we know that what we are doing is appreciated.
NULO says it is eagerly anticipating the completion of its Hospitality Arts Extension project. This, they say, would be a stepping stone towards the future. From Palmas in St. John, I am Eugenia Peters, GBN News.